do Mongolians eat? It all starts with this: a rich, hearty soup made with beef or lamb, often simmered for hours. No spice, no frills, just depth, warmth, and meat that melts in your mouth. For Mongolians, this isn't just food. It's fuel for life on the steppe. This one's a feast. Sheep meat cooked with scorching hot stones inside a sealed pot. The result? Meat that's smoky, tender, and primal in flavor. Served with a simple carrot salad, rice, and dense white bread, the same dough used for dumplings. Eating this feels like stepping into a nomad's ancient banquet. This dish was unexpected. A thick meat gravy, likely beef or lamb, poured generously over fluffy rice. Alongside mashed potato and bright carrot puree, a perfect balance of earthy and sweet. Comfort food with a Mongolian backbone. Pulao, Mongolian style. The lamb is slow cooked, the rice aromatic, and the surprise twist, beetroot. It adds a natural sweetness and deep color that makes this feel rich and rustic. And then there's buuz, steamed dumplings that are the heart of every Mongolian New Year feast. Made with mutton or beef, hand-folded with care, and steamed to juicy perfection. A dish as humble as it is iconic. Same dumplings, different delivery. These soups, one beef-based, one with sheep meat, turn the humble buuz into soul food, warm, filling, and surprisingly elegant. Now this is celebration on a plate. Fried dumplings, steamed dumplings, boiled meat. And that centerpiece, a stuffed lamb stomach packed with mincemeat, served with simple greens and tomatoes, a rare splash of freshness. This one was all about generosity. Thick cuts of well-cooked meat, warm rice, and a loaf of that signature dense white bread. In a country where meat means strength, this platter is pure power. Simple, tasty, honest. Fried meat done just right, with a crunchy cabbage salad to lighten the bite. Sometimes that's all you need.